Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody
Mike Foster here.
stand in your way.
This is the 2018 rundown, recap, and we're going to push toward 2019 and see what we can do better there. But so I wanted to say 2018 is a year that I'm glad is coming to a close. It's been one of the toughest years of my life. I've been around for a long time. We all have those tough years, and you know I'm a guy that pushes positivity and thinks about the most important things in life are figuring out ways to be positive, happy, healthy, and enjoying life to its fullest. But we also know that, and I'm a big Buddhist, and I follow a lot of Zen philosophies, that you know life is struggle, and that life will teach you lessons, and that sometimes you just have to deal with what life throws your way. And so I'll do a recap of what happened in 2018. There's been a lot of loss. It's probably, you know, my dad died almost 30 years ago, and it was the biggest loss of my life, and it changed me for the better. But I've also been very blessed over the last several decades after that, I've had a lot of good things going on. You know, I've had a great relationship, and you know, we both have been employed. We've, you know, made enough money to have a good life and live really well. And I've been able to push Live Life 365 toward you folks and make you laugh, make you think about stuff, make you you know help you, encourage you to work on diet, exercise, and, eating right, and all kinds of things over the last 10 years. But the last 6 to 12 months have been really difficult. I lost my best friend, Eric, who I've known since I was in first grade. Over 50 years. He passed away a couple months ago. It was heartbreaking. One of the worst things that I've had to deal with since my dad. It was very tough. I love that guy. You know, we had one of those relationships that, you know, we weren't always talking to each other, but anytime we did, it was like, you know, just like it was like yesterday. Another one of my best friends, Brian, went through one of a very difficult health issue, and he's doing a lot better, and so that's a positive thing, knock wood, but it was very traumatic and difficult to deal with. Of course, we had the Butte County fires here that destroyed 90% of town of Paradise, where my wife and I lived for 7-8 years, and where my mother-in-law still lives, and she's dealing with how to handle her house, her structure, whatever's left of it. That's been horrific. We've had other issues. One of my best buddies at work lost his father and his wife within a month. A lot of people I know lost their houses in the devastation of the Butte County fires. And my wife lost one of her co-workers, someone that she really cared for. It was a really good person back in April. It just seems like 2018 has just been hit after hit after hit after hit after hit of sad news. But you know what we need to do, and that's the recap. Wasn't very good of the sad stuff, but what we have to do is look at the positive. We have to understand that life is struggle, that there's going to be times when we can't control what happens, but we can control how we deal with it and what we can do. I know I haven't been at my best during a lot of these losses and situations, and I'm working, and I'm hoping, and I'm praying that I can get stronger every day and be the strong you know, strong person, the strong rock that I need to be for my family and friends. And think about, there's been a lot of good things that have happened in this year, because I'm a positive guy. You know, there's a lot of positivity, and we look forward to having another year to try to make sure that we can do some good things in this coming year and focus on the stuff that we want to do that will make a difference. And there could be more suffering ahead, hopefully not as much as 2018, and just keep trying to, you know, live your life every day in every way. Live Life 365. Try to be as positive as possible. Try to think of the best that can happen. try to work with each other, be patient and understanding, and have compassion and have tolerance, and understand that even when life's thrown you lemons and curveballs, we have to make lemonade and have it out the ballpark every once in a while. Just think about that one. Let's have a tremendous 2019. And for more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 and my YouTube channel by the same name. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.